Hi Russell. Hi Dorothy. Giga Dada here. I've been working hard on my motorcycle project, putting it together, you know, like Russell does his Legos, piece by piece, trying to get everything where it's supposed to go. It's pretty tricky and pretty complicated. I thought I would update you and show you how I'm doing. So you can see I've made a lot of progress. I just put that wheel on yesterday evening. These here are the shock absorbers. They're heavy-duty springs, so when the bike bounces up and down, the rider on top has a nice, comfortable ride. Back wheels, and I just connected the brakes. Here's the brake caliper. Squeezes the rotor, makes the bike stop. I just completed that yesterday as well. Got the fender, the lights. Lots of electrical is done. And look at this, oh my, that was complicated. Getting all of those wires to fit just right. I had to put it together and take it apart 4 times. You know how that is, Russell. Sometimes you think you've got it, and then the next thing you know, you've got to start over again. Here's the wiring inside the headlight. Look at that. I think it's a lot like Legos. It would help if I had good instructions, but I don't. So, looking pretty good, don't you think? I won't know how well I've done until I start to try and run it. I'll have my fingers crossed. Well, that's it for now. Hope we see you soon. Bye-bye.